Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we will see how to test our backend using Postman. For that, we need to download and install Postman. To install Postman, you need to go to postman.com/downloads. And from here, you can download and install Postman in your machine. I have already installed Postman in my machine, so I will not do it again. Okay. Now we will open Postman. So let's open Postman. And now we will use Postman to send GET request to the server on the Hello World endpoint. So here you need to click on plus icon and select GET request. So it is already selected, and here I'll type http ://localhost 8000, and we need to click on send button. So as you can see, we got the response hello world. So GET request is used to get information from the server such as article content and user information. And POST request is used to modify on the server, such as if you want to add a comment to an article or change username. Okay. Now let's see a quick example of send POST request to our server. So let's go to VS Code. Let me close this. Let me close this. And now inside server.js, we will create one more route. Okay. So let's add one more route. So app dot post, and inside the endpoint will be same. So I'll keep this as /, and we will use the same callback function. So request and response, and here I'll do response dot send, and the message will be same, hello world. Okay, let's save this file. Now let's go to Postman. So here I am, and now we need to select post request. Okay, I have selected the post request, and let's click on send button. So as you can see, we are getting the same response, hello world. Now let's see how to send data to the server along with the post request. So Postman has a body window, and here we can define request body for our post. So let's check raw, and here we need to select JSON object, and here we can add whatever data we want. For example, we will create a JSON object, and here I'll add a name field which is going to be Samir. So when we send this post request, we want the server to reply with hello and then our name inside the string. And in order to do this, we need to do few things. So let's go to VS Code, and inside the server.js, here I will initialize the middleware. So let me add a comment, initialize middleware. Okay, so here I'll write app.use and then express.json. Inside this curly braces, I will write the property extended, that is going to be false. Let me save this. Earlier we need to install body parser, but now we don't have to do it. So let's add a comment here. We used to have to install body parser, but now it is a built-in middleware. Okay, and there is one more comment. So function of express, and it parses incoming JSON payload. Okay, let's save this. And now we can access the name property by removing this and writing a backtick key and then hello, then inside and then we can take $, and inside curly braces we can say request dot body dot name. Okay, we can access this name property. Let's save this, and now let's go to Postman, and here we will click on the send button. So here, as you can see, we got the output as hello Samir. So this is how we can send post requests. So this is it for this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.